All right, we're gonna push this in and take the small block out of it, and we have to go up a hill into that one. So this should be interesting. Ready to push? Let's go. Turn the wheel. All right, let it come back a little bit.
Definitely, if you don't mind. You die.
Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. Thank you. Oh, we didn't record it. We had a bunch of help from those guys. We need change. Find change. She's pretty much ready to come out. We took the motor mounts out just to give us some more room. Angel's taking the heater box off so I don't break it. And then we'll be yanking it out. This is the inside of the hobby shop. Pretty good setup here. Alright, so we got it here. Angel's always trying to duck out of the way. You're going to be part of this build series, so. So we're going to pull the hood off so that we can get this out and over. Let's do it. Right, here she goes, no engine. Plenty of room for an LS in there. About to put it up on the lift just to take a look under it. Here's the 350 for sale. Stash it here for now. Let's put it up on the lift. All right, engine's out. It's up on the lift. Let's take a look at this thing. So it has disc brakes in the front, probably from like a C10 or something like that. I'm not really sure. No sway bar, no shocks. That's interesting. So a lot of this front end stuff we're going to take care of and redo. This is one thing. This panel, I can buy this panel, so that's, I don't know why that was cut. It was a manual. See, there's a clutch pedal right there. But the underside, look, freshly coated. Freshly coated. The bed's not on right. But we're gonna end up pulling that off. No rear shocks. I'm not sure. Ooh, maybe we could figure out the final drive on this. But yeah, she is clean. whole front end's just sitting on there. We'll probably pull the whole front end off when we put the LS in it. It's clean, baby. And this is that only real rust spot right here. Which it's right, they all rust out right there on that seam. But very intact. What do you think, Angel?
Looks good.
You look good, right?
Good.
That's gonna be it for today. We're gonna push this thing back outside. Plenty of room in here to work for activities. Push it back outside, and we'll see you next time. You first one to drop my phone. Trying to control it. There she goes. Bloop, bloop. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a quick look around the hobby shop here on Davis Monthan Air Force Base. Let's check this place out real quick. Just doing a quick tour. So how many bays do they got in here? They got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bays. I could have just looked at the highest number, which would actually be 17, but I think that bay 1 doesn't count. They have cages that you can use to store your stuff. Like this guy's got an engine in there, some tires. This is going to be mine here for now. There's my small block. Pretty much everything you need. Each bay has a little table. There's the bolt bin there. There's an alignment rack. I'm going. They got tire machine over here. Balancer. Inside here is a paint booth. So I got a full paint booth in here. All kinds of tools behind the counter, anything you need. Parts washer, press, I mean everything. Hot tank. And then out here they have, these are wash bays. Pressure wash. And then in there, that garage there is the welding shop. I'm not going to go in there because I think it's locked right now. But they have welders, grinders, that kind of stuff. I probably will be using that for my exhaust. Yeah. Goes the beautiful Arizona sunset. And there she is in her new spot for now, till the next time I come. She was over there. Big thank you to Angel for helping me out. Appreciate it. I'm gonna find out if you're watching my videos. Let me know. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking, all that jazz. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe because this project's gonna be fun and I got more videos coming out for it. See you later. Whoops.
Recording nothing.
That's okay.